Here I have a toolbox, so-called mobile workbench made by Husky. I purchased it at Home Depot. It is steel construction, has ball bearings, drawers, a lot of tool storage, and drawer liners are included. It is 46 inches wide, 18.1 inch deep, and 37.1 inches high. Weighs assembled 1.71.6 pounds, and it has one cool thing, which is integrated power strip with 6 outlets, one USB-A and one USB-C port. Came unassembled. I am gonna do that now and do a little review of it. Let's see what it takes. Here we have an instructions manual. Here we have keys for the lock. In this drawer we have an electrical cord, and in this big drawer we have a handle, and it looks like here are casters, 4 of them for the bottom. In the same top drawer where the keys are, we have liners for each drawer. Let's see where the casters are. Here are they with the screws necessary, 4 of them, 2 is fixed and 2 is swiveling. In order to install casters, I will need to put toolbox on the back, lay it down on the floor, and put casters on. I will use itself packaging material, thick cardboard, to put it on the floor and lean the toolbox on its back and work on tool casters. Now we have it on its back, and I'm going to put screws and casters in. Allen wrenches included for the casters. Casters are really good quality. 2 that are swiveling I will put on the right side in my case, because I will put my handle here on this side where the outlet, electrical outlet is, but we can put the handle on each side, and I think, in my opinion, that swivel caster needs to go on the side where the handle is for easier controlling. I assembled both swivel wheels. All is really good quality. Went smooth, nice, strong. All is left is 2 fixed wheels. Now we have all wheels on, and we need to lift it up. Here we have good quality locking mechanism. We just need to push down, and that's it. And here is handle screws and 2 brackets. So let's install handle first and see how it looks. we will use the same Allen wrench, but just other side. This was for the casters, and the other side, smaller side, is for the handle, which is cool. And one more thing we need to install is these so-called storage hooks, as it says in manual, that may be installed like this, and will be probably for cord or something else if you find need for it. Now that all is assembled, what's left is drawer liners. And that's amazing thing that they provided these. I don't need to worry about purchasing some, but they look good. Okay, let's try this key. I'll keep it on this string, but let's just test it. One key should lock all, so it's good. It locks all drawers, which is cool. Now it's all assembled. I really like it. Wood top is looking good quality. All drawers are good quality. What I like, they have that little clutch, little snag that when I pull it will not open by itself, and it is soft close. I like the handle, and what's really cool is this outlet that I can use for power tools, and casters are of good quality. I was looking for one in many different stores, and they are really good ones everywhere you go, but I suggest research for each individual to find the best deal for what each individual likes, and this one is suiting me the best. I like it. It is right size, and I'll be more than glad to answer any questions if anybody has. Thank you for watching.